Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're exploring a surprising event that occurred on the Moon in August 2026. A piece of a SpaceX rocket collided with the Moon, creating a large crater and opening up a new chapter for lunar research. This unexpected impact near the Einstein crater captured the attention of scientists and space agencies worldwide. The South Korean spacecraft, Danuri, and NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance orbiter were quick to photograph the site, providing valuable data. The part of the rocket involved was a leftover from a Falcon 9 launch that sent the Firefly Blue Ghost 1 to the Moon in January 2025. After spending over a year in space, it ended its journey with a bang. The collision itself wasn't visible from Earth, but observers witnessed the release of gases like sodium and lithium. Using advanced equipment, astronomers at the Lowell Observatory in Arizona measured these emissions, offering insights into the Moon's composition and the effects of impacts on its surface. This incident also highlighted the growing concern of space debris. As human activity in space increases, managing space junk becomes crucial to prevent potential risks to future lunar infrastructure, such as human colonies or solar panels. The event underscores the importance of creating designated areas for waste disposal and establishing strict protocols for unmanned landings to safeguard future developments. The SpaceX Moon collision reminds us of the critical need for careful space waste management. While this unexpected crash offers scientific learning opportunities, it also calls for improved strategies to protect future lunar assets. For more intriguing science stories, make sure to subscribe to Science Hub.